Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and today we are up at Thrunton, fishing crag, or starting on crag. Pretty stiff breeze blowing, coming onto our backs in a minute. There's quite a few here actually. Obviously it's a little bit of a break from storm lillying. And literally as I've been setting up here, there's easily half a dozen fish just risen in front of us along this edge here. So first I probably should have started with the floaters. I've just seen a few sedges. So I have put an intermediate on with the damsel on the point and the dowel back on the dropper. I'm just going to try casting it sort of that direction. Yeah. Just starting intermediate first. But it's promising the time I've been setting up with some quite a few rides. So I'm here with my son, my wife and my father on board. So if it's anything like the last time, Taylor got into fish quite quick. I struggled, I only got a perch. But here's a way, we'll see what happens. So I've been here probably, I don't know, 15 minutes, 20 minutes now. I've had one fish, one take. So I'm just going to switch over to the float in a second. Might try the bung, I'm sure it may be a bit windy for the bung line. So plenty of anglers here, but they're all on that bank down there with the wind on our backs. I mean, this wind's making things difficult, but it's not terrible. And obviously you have to make the best of the conditions. Just as the winds are back up to 30 odd mile an hour at the moment, so it is what it is. Taylor's into his second fish. See him fly? Oh yeah, I've lost one on a sedge. Ooh, it's a canny fish. Just be prepared because it's a decent size. Good 3 pound knot. So don't try and bully it. If it wants to go on, just let it go on. Yeah, it's got to be nudging 3 pound, that like. That's not a stocky, that's been in a little while. Yeah. Got it. It's out, is it? Good. Nice little fat one.
Very nice.
Push it over the weed and just make sure it's facing head up and that before you let it. And then just, yeah, that's full of life, that one. Lovely, well done. So at the minute I've had 3 fish. How many you had, Tyler? Tyler's had 2. His mum hasn't had any and his granddad hasn't had any yet. 3 of mine have come with the hothead damsel on the intermediate at a 10-second count. And I've had 1 on a sedge and dry, and I lost that one. The sun's come out now, so it's a little bit brighter, I'm not sure after. Oh no, they're still rising, There's one just jumped in front of the fallen low there. I've come to the opposite side. It's tricky in this wind. I would like to fish that side, but I can't get a cast straight out. It's making it difficult, but I've had fish anyway, so I think the stockies, I've had 3 stockies, probably nudging, 1 3/4, something like that. Maybe he's nudging 2. Taylor's had the best one so far, probably nudging 3 pound. I have seen some lovely ones swim by. That's the beauty of this place, it's so clear you can see everything. A bit weedy in front of us here, but I had a good pull before on the edge of the weed. As you're coming towards that weed there, they must just be cruising on the back edge of it. I had a good pull there, but I'm just going to switch to the float again for a bit. Yeah, I've not actually landed a one on that new rod, so it'd be nice to get a one. This is Jimmy's first fish. He lost the first one. So technically our first one doesn't count. Oh, it's just tittle like that. Well, not when it's Halloween, I'm not. No. What do you get that on? The net's stuck in the weed. Got it. Candy. It's about time you got a one. I'm starting to think I didn't have a fly on. That had 3 goes in my fly. doing? Oh. I thought I had it.
Yeah, I think I lost it again.
Progress report. I'm currently on 3 fish. I've lost 2. Jimmy's got 1, and Amanda's got 1. Taylor, how many you had? Taylor, still 2. Taylor still had 2. So had plenty of little nips and plucks, but the fly I was getting me fish on, I've lost the tail on it now. It's being nipped off. So I might have 1 more now. I can't remember. I don't think I have actually. Not exactly the same. It was stocked yesterday. I'm assuming that we're hitting stockies today. They've all been a similar size. Taylor's still the best one. So I've just come down on the long crag here. Black buzzer run under the indicator, about 2 foot under the indicator, and as I was standing messing around with the camera, I just felt it pull up my hand. Nice little fish there, about 2 pound. Well, apart from the wind, the weather's absolutely stunning now, like bright sunshine. Been clotting around with this camera for the last 10 minutes. So I haven't had any more fish yet, like, but as you can see, we're all down this bottom end here, where it's slightly, I think it's deeper water here. It looks deep. It seems like it drops away quite quick. There's not as many here as there was this morning. Yeah, got a good day, enjoyed it. Not over yet though. Right, so progress report. I've now had 5 and lost 2. I've literally just had one over there where my wife is. I was on my way past to come over here and she says, why don't you have a go here? And I got a fish on a little black lure. There's not much happening down this end. Obviously I've had one from Scarecrow on the bank over in front of Scarecrow there, and one over there where my wife is, and now I've just come round to this side. I'm not going to go much further than that because there's some geese and swans over there, so I'll try and stop here. I think I'm out the way of them. Yeah, got less than an hour left of the day. It's been a good day. A little bit hungover, a little bit dehydrated, and but yeah, it's been a fantastic day, really. Not easy, but I know, had fun. So we'll give it a shot here. Unfortunately, my last fish I set the camera away, but the battery must have run out when I was actually fishing, so I didn't get that last one on camera. It was very big. It was about £1.5 pound, probably the smallest of the day. well, that's me done for the day. I've had 5 fish, lost 2. Just had a good take on the buzzer there and got snapped on the indicator. So I get packed up and let's sort this out. So anyway, from a lovely Thrunton, give you one last look at the place. No one else is getting anything over there. They've all struggled since we've come down onto this lake, to be fair. I've had 2 and lost 1. So I've had 5 altogether, I lost 3 I think, can't remember. Right, anyway, till next time, thanks for joining and tight lines everybody, cheers.